So let's explore new topics. That is list. List is very much important in our HTML website creation. So normally we all know what is a list. Like for example, we'll be taking a real life example, a list of fruits what we are going to buy from a market or a shopping market. Like a list of fruits like apple, oranges, pineapple, grapes. That's a list of oranges, list of fruits. Now a list of school items that kids want to take while opening up for a new school, new class, like school bags, school shoes, pencil, pen, rulers, books, everything. So there, those are called as lists. That is a collection of items, is usually called as list. So lists are of two types, that is ordered list and unordered list inside HTML. Ordered list is nothing but, as a name represents, ordered list will be basically listed the items with numbers, like one for example, consider a list of fruits. So 1 will be apple, 2 orange, 3 grapes, 4 pineapple, likewise. That means usually the items will be listed using numbers, but in unordered list the items will be represented using bullet points. Bullet points is like dot or whatever bullet points that can use. So let's go on for that live session regarding that. So consider a list. So consider a list, like I want to show a list of fruits, right? Okay, actually this list of fruits I don't want to display it in the in the browser. I just want to keep it aside for my information inside the Visual Studio Code. So such things that can be commented, what you called as commented, that can be only for the user, that means only for the coder information, not for the user information, which is not required to be displayed on the website, is something which we can comment inside the Visual Studio. For commenting means, for commenting inside the HTML we can provide, there is a syntax for commenting, that is angular brackets, that is exclamation, hyphen hyphen, so it will come as a green. So everything that comes in green means, in Visual Studio, means that it is commented. So this is entire thing will be commented, so we need to put an end to this particular comment. End will be represented using hyphen hyphen, angular brackets closed. So this is a bit of hectic, right? We have to open this angular brackets, put an exclamation mark, hyphen hyphen, we have to close it. Okay, whatever, there are a lot of steps to put a single comment. So that is a bit of hectic. So I don't want, see, I have already told you that I am a bit of lazy. So I want to comment in a shortcut. So I'm going to teach you how to comment in a shortcut. So that's not regarding the list. I want to give you an add-on information. So in order to comment in a shortcut, you have to place the particular cursor in on a particular line of code which you want to comment, and then press Ctrl / on your keyboard. Okay, Ctrl +/ that makes you the comment. Okay, that's pretty much easy, right? So that's comment. This won't come and displayed in the browser. So list of fruits, if you want to make it as an ordered list, you have to give like OL. Ordered list is represented using a tag called OL. Okay, so inside OL we want to represent each of the fruits, right? Like apple, grapes, pineapple, watermelon, or whatever fruits that we want to list. We want to list it each fruit using different numbers, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for that we have to represent, see, as you can see, each item should be listed using a tag called li. Okay, so OL will be our main tag. So inside that OL tag, that means it is representing that it is going to be a numbered list. That means a ordered list. Now inside that, each element is represented using li tag, that is a list tag. Li tab, or automatically you can press tab, so automatically its syntax or definition will be coming as a free, okay, as a automatically coming. So list I can represent as apple. Okay, next list I want to give li again, and pineapple. Okay, Next I want to give a li of grapes. Fine. Next li I want to give as watermelon. So that's it. You can add more, you can try more. So this is a list of items and it will be coming in this ordered list. Ordered means it will be coming with the items will be represented using numbers. Let's see if it's coming or not. Okay. Okay, 1 second, sorry. Okay. Okay, see, as you can see, apple, pineapple, grapes, watermelon, these all comes with the listed items are being listed using numbers. See, 1 2 3 4, since because we have mentioned in the our code that it should be ordered list. Now I have talked about the unordered list, right? So we shall try that too. If I'm going to give it an unordered list, also we have to mention the each item using li. Okay, li of apple. Okay, then okay, I'm just copying it because I'm a little bit lazy, so just copy this and we can just paste it. But the only difference is the master tag that we have given, that is this is a OL and this is a UL. OL stands for the ordered list and UL stands for the unordered list. So let's see the difference. See, the OL ordered list will be produced as a number, will be defined as a number. The other will be defined as a bullet points. So this is what is the basic difference of list. There are two types of list in HTML: ordered list and unordered list. Fine. So that's all about list.